Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, January 12th. Today we're starting a new series titled Minute Meditations for Everyday Calm, inspired by the book by Tamara Skyhawk with the same title. You actually have been voting for this one for quite a while now, but somehow it never made it to the top of the list, so I made an executive decision to just do it now. There are 4 distinct types of practices in this series, in this book. So 1 is for your body, so more somatic. 2 is for your mind. 3 for energy. And 4 for emotions and feelings. And we will go through all of them gradually throughout the next few weeks. There will be no stories to reflect upon. We will always just dive right in. Today's practice is titled Tension Check and Release, and it will help you become aware of which areas of the body are holding tension so that you can return to a state of ease. So take a comfortable position and take a nice, satisfying breath in and a long breath out. Become aware of the forehead and eyes. Notice if there is any tension there in your eyes, around your eyes, your forehead. Is there any holding, squeezing, tightness? Could you soften any part of the forehead or eyes? Go ahead and soften any part of the eyes and forehead that you can. Now become aware of the lips and jaw. Notice if there is any tension there. Maybe pursing, clenching, tightness. Could you release, drop, or soften tension in any part of the lips or jaw? Go ahead and soften tension now in the lips and jaw. Become aware of the neck and shoulders. Any tension here? Soften, drop, release. Become aware of the hands. Is there any tension in your fingers, palms, wrists? Soften and release. Become aware of your hips. Is there any gripping, tightness, tension? Soften, release. Become aware of the legs and feet. Any squeezing, gripping, tightening. Soften and release. Now take a moment to take stock. Do you notice any areas of tension? A lot or a little? Simply be aware of it. There is nothing to do. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and, as always, notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to make a mental note to check in with your body, softening and releasing any areas where tension arises and disturbs your ease. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.